Okay, so this is the second half of the Sheeple solo, and basically what I do here is I start with some extreme pentatonic string skipping, 3 notes per string skipping legato ideas. I'll play it slowly and then I explain what I'm doing. So basically, I'm using 3 note per string pentatonic shapes here, E minor pentatonic shapes. So that would be A string, 7th fret, going to 10 and 12. And the next shape would be on the D string, 7, 9, 12. 7, 9, 12 also on the G string. Then you have to shift to 8, 10, 12 on the B string, and go back to the high E string, 7, 10, and 12. And basically what I'm doing here is I always skip one string, so I'm going straight from the A string to the G string, pull off, and go to the D string that I just skipped. And then I skip the G string and I go back straight to the B string, and then I go back to the G string and then skip the B string and go right to the E string. I play the whole thing slowly. It's probably, again, a lot easier to just listen to it. Those things sound really complicated when you try to explain them, and when you listen they make more sense, I guess. So picking wise, I just do down strokes every time I change the string. So it's down, hammer, hammer, down, hammer, hammer, pull, pull, hammer, pull, pull, hammer, hammer. So notice that I'm not picking at all here. Only here again on the B string. And then the next time on the high string. So it's a very fluent sound because you basically never pick. When I'm here, I shift into the next pattern, and that would be the next 3 note per string pentatonic pattern. But I'm skipping the B and the D strings again. So I do this, which would be 15, 12, 10, 14, 12, 9 on the G string, and 14, 12, 10 on the A string. So right here, I shift, pull, pull, hammer, pull, pull, hammer, pull, pull. So notice again, I'm not picking. Okay? And from here on, I shift into the 12th fret on the A string, and now we get a little bit more tricky fingering wise. I experimented a lot with pentatonics in the recent years, and I found ways to finger them 4 notes per string. So if you include a tap, I explained this on the high E string, you basically have a 1 octave pentatonic like this, E minor. So what I'm doing here to finish the lick, I slide from the 10th to the 12th fret, and then I hammer on 14 and 17 on the A string. So, and then I jump right to the G string. So again, I'm string skipping here, and on the G string is where it gets a bit tricky. I have a fairly big stretch, and I'm using all 4 fingers, so the frets would be 12, 14, 16, and 19. So you have a fairly big stretch between your pinky and your ring finger. And then another string skip to the high E string, and then the shape that I just basically explained a minute ago. 12, 15, 17, 19. And then I hammer on the 22nd fret, pull off, and I bend up to the 24th fret, which is the high E. So the whole lick slowly. Excuse me, I'll do that part again. A lot harder to play slow and control all these notes to make sure they're all still ringing.